are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, I'm over the moon. What about you, mister?
I've never been better. Well, I'm Zubair, a traveler. I basically belong to Dubai. Um, I've traveled to Pakistan 2 3 times, but this is my first time to visit here to see the beauty of KBK. Well, I know I need a guider. Would you like to guide me if you don't mind?
Well, it is nothing. It would be my pleasure to guide you. By the way, I am Wakar Ahmed, a local resident of Peshawar and a student of Government College Peshawar. Although I'm not familiar with that because I'm a kind of boring person, even I haven't visited well in Peshawar. I'm not like you. But yet I have some useful information which may help you where you have to go and where you don't. But if you depict some of your favorites, it would be quite easy for me to guide you.
Okay. Okay, I would say I'll visit to desert, but as far as I'm concerned, there is no mighty desert.
Yes, you're right. Although there are few bony desserts, but I hope you may not like them.
Okay, I've just come to see most visited and beautiful places.
Yes, but you didn't mention your favorite places.
The places which is liked most by me is supposed to have greenery and mountainous areas.
Well, there's a place in my mind, and that would be paradise for you if you like mountains or to climb mountain. Uh, that is Shaikurakoram. It is, I don't know about its location, but it is either in KPK or in Balochistan. But it is not too far. And it has also one beautiful thing that will attracts you a lot to visit there, and that is Ketu Mountain. It is the world's second largest mountain with respect to sea level. For your information, there are a few mountains as well which are higher than K2 but not with respect to sea level.
Okay, that's very fantastic place. I must visit here. But I would like to climb a huge mountain. So, is there any cold?
Yeah, in fact, sometimes there are also snow falling, and it is also too dangerous to climb there because there is no proper route or a slope through which you may climb uh, the mountain.
Okay.
So therefore, it is too dangerous.
Okay, it's done. Actually, I'll have to stay here for a few days. So I'll visit to two main places. So where am I supposed to go?
Well, the next place that is a natural hub of KPK, known as Swat. It is so near. If you go there by bus, so only 4 5 hours are required to reach there. And there are also countless mountains, and it is full of greeneries. So if you want to go there, it would be your best choice.
Okay. First of all, I will visit to Shai Korakoram. After that, Suwat. But I need some information about market. But before market, can you recommend me about the restaurant and hotel because there is no relatives here.
Well, there is no need to worry about that. I have also a home, a free room. So if you want to stay with me, you may.
No, I don't want to burden upon someone.
Okay, as you wish. Oh, you are talking about the hotels.
Yes.
Well, Peshawar is a business hub of KBK. There are many hotels and restaurants here, but which are the most famous? One is a PC hotel, and one is for well, I forgot that name, but it is also quite popular. But the PC hotel, they provide many facility.
What facilities are they providing?
Well, they have their own chef,
Okay.
which who not only cook the Pakistani recipes but also foreign recipes like French and Chinese, etc.
Okay. I also like different types of recipe.
Yeah, and there is also a swimming pool and parking lot, and I think there are more than 2 3 rooms in a one apartment. All rooms are full of comfortable.
Okay, that's great.
Uh, so, what else do you want to know?
Yes, I want to know about market because I'm new here. So, um, what famous market are there in Peshawar?
Well, as I told you, it is a business hub, the Peshawar. So there are countless bazaars like Janda Bazaar, Mina Bazaar, Level Bazaar, Sadar Bazaar, etc.
Okay. So where am I supposed to go?
It depends upon your shopping.
Okay.
What you want, then I'll recommend you where you have to go.
So I've intended I will have to shop what I'm saying the heavy sweaters and jackets and shoes. But one more thing, rope for climbing on mountains.
Well, the heavy sweater and shoes might be bought in Khyber Bazaar. Not only that stuff, you may buy more things as well because it's a huge bazaar.
Okay.
And rope, I don't know about that where it is available. You may
Okay.
ask someone else as well.
Okay. Thank you so much for guidelines.
Thank you. Thank you.